Over the past 24 hours, early adopters of Nintendo's latest handheld console, the Switch 2, have had the chance to explore its major upgrades and refinements. From unboxing through gameplay across multiple modes, here, a detailed first look at what makes the Switch 2 stand out, and whether it really comes close to PC-level performance for AAA titles. Inside the retail package you'll find the Nintendo Switch 2 console, 2 redesigned Joycon 2 controllers, left and right, 2 wrist straps for the Joycon 2, a streamlined dock unit, USB-C power adapter and cable, HDMI cable. If you purchase a special bundle, you'll also receive a download code for Mario Kart World, rather than a physical game card. Unlike the original Switch 2-tone neon color accents, the Switch 2 uses a predominantly matte black finish across its larger body. When attached, the Joy-Con 2 controllers reveal only their colored side rails, lending both subtlety and a way to distinguish left from right at a glance. The entire package feels more premium, especially compared with Switch 1, while still allowing Nintendo to release future limited editions in bolder hues. The headline improvement is the 7.9-inch LCD panel, up from 6.2 inches on the previous model. While not OLED, the panel delivers crisp, full HD images and smooth 120Hz operation in handheld mode. Joy-Con 2 controllers themselves feature larger buttons and wider thumbsticks, easing play for users with bigger hands and improving durability. A beefed-up kickstand spans almost the full width of the back, resolving the wobble issues that plagued the original tabletop mode. Rather than sliding the controllers into rails, the Switch 2 uses magnets to snap Joy-Con 2 onto the sides, still secure with the satisfying click sound. Over time, magnet strength may diminish, so long-term durability remains to be seen for now. The system feels rock solid. First-time setup follows familiar Nintendo menus. Existing Switch 1 owners can choose Begin System Transfer to migrate saves, profiles, and settings seamlessly. New users simply select Don't Transfer Data. Installing games is straightforward. Physical cartridges slot into the top microSD compatible tray, and most Switch titles work out of the box, excluding a handful that require Joy-Con 2 accessories or have compatibility issues. In handheld mode, the Switch 2 can run demanding AAA games at native 1080p. Dragon Quest Builders 2 and Hyrule Warriors now hit a stable 60 FPS, up from 720p on the original Switch. Some titles may balance frame rate versus resolution, but the step-up is immediate for fans of on-the-go gaming. Docked Play unlocks even higher fidelity. Hooked to a TV via the streamlined dock, the system can output up to 4K at 60 FPS, with experimental modes dipping down to 1440p at 120 FPS. Those chasing PC-style frame rates will appreciate the flexibility, though heavy HDR enthusiasts may find the built-in LCD 420,450 nits brightness and lack of deep blacks a limitation. To fully leverage HDR, you'll want an external HDR-capable display. In tabletop mode, you can attach Joy-Con 2 to the optional Switch 2 Pro grip sold separately for $85 USD, or hand controllers directly to friends for local co-op. Tabletop resolution remains locked at 1080p, ensuring smooth multiplayer sessions without taxing the hardware. One of the Switch 2 software highlights is Game Chat, accessible via a dedicated C button on each Joy-Con 2. This integrated service allows players to share screens, watch friend streams, and engage in voice or video chat, all within the console interface. After a free trial that runs through March 31, 2026, continued use requires an active Nintendo Switch Online subscription, which also grants classic game access, cloud saves, and online multiplayer. Nintendo has clearly listened to its community. The larger, higher refresh display, beefed-up kickstand, ergonomic Joy-Con design, and seamless data migration all address long-standing fan requests. Raw performance now rivals dedicated handheld PCs for many AAA titles, especially in docked mode. However, if you prize deep HDR support, OLED contrast, or magnetic rail durability over time, some early caveats remain. For gamers seeking a true next-generation portable experience, one that blurs the line between console and PC, the Nintendo Switch 2 makes a compelling argument. Its refined hardware and new social features like Game Chat promise to keep it at the center of living room and on the go, gaming well into the next console cycle.